we're here to talk about you being a self-confessed swinger.
The term swinger isn't really one that we would use. It's the more socially recognised term. When we're discussing the lifestyle, as it is known amongst ourselves, we would choose to refer to it as ethical non-monogamy, because a swinger would imply that I am in a relationship, which I'm not, and that I share my partner.
Yeah.
I am ethically non-monogamous.
Did you have a coming out moment? Did you have a moment where you had to sit down with friends and family and go, okay, this is me, this is what I like to do, or did you keep it to yourself for a long time?
I was always open with my friends, but they didn't believe me. So you'd go to the bar, on a Saturday night, and they'd say, "Oh, Graham, were you at an orgy last night?" "Yeah, I was, yeah." "Of course you were, yeah." So nobody believed me. As the internet progressed and profiles and swinger profiles became a thing, and camera phones became a thing, and then these things got out there.